Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a new TapSwap updates and this is basically how you can earn TapSwap coins before it airdrops. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of changes here. So the first update would be a new exciting gameplay which is called Town. So here you can go ahead and build your town and earn TapSwaps. So if you would click on any of the towns, as you can see, this building price is 500 shares and you will receive 20 gems. So you can go ahead and buy it if you want to. The building price is one video. Here is some cinema where you can go ahead and earn those coins. So this is one update, which is really exciting too. It's really fun to earn those coins now. And also you will see your tasks right there on cinema. So as you can see, that much you can earn. And another exciting news would be to exchange tokens, specifically here on TapSwap. So you're going to click swap option. And now you can go ahead and swap tokens straightly here on TapSwap itself. It's really fun to do and easy. You can also go ahead and connect your wallet here, just like so. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's the updates of the TapSwap. Now, as you can see, I have 20 gems, and you need those gems to go ahead and use your worker in this town. But basically, that's how it works. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.